Wow, super. Seventh lake and climate of Wayanad from this resort. It started raining. This is the restaurant. Wow. This is indoor game.
Yes.
Everyone enjoy.
Awesome.
Dinner is ready. See the view. Now we are in Casa Lakeview Resort in Wayanad. The exact name of this place is Eranchira. You can see the beautiful lake view from here. All the rooms are with the balcony facility, the view to the lake. We came with my parents, mom, sister, my sister, brother-in-law, and we have around 10 people. We are going to stay here. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tint and Travel. So this is the property. We reached here. We have enough parking space here. One room we got the top floor. This is SI3. That is the one we got on the top. SC3. This is one room. Once we enter, left side we can see there is a pantry. You have washing space there, kettle. This is the bedroom. Wow, this is good. Have air conditioner and a long mirror, flat TV. We have these two chairs here, wardrobe. See the roof, colorful. Nice bedroom. This is washroom, very neat and clean. Here we have, this is bathtub, have geyser. Neatly maintained property, right? Just open, Shami. Wow, this is the lake view. And here we have the balcony. Wow, very nice. See this? Wow, superb. So they are serving the welcome drink. Just now we came. This is the room and this is the balcony. From here you can see the view of the lake. Wow. We got a interlinked room here. This is the door to the other room. And here also we have the balcony, same type of balcony. See this. Wow. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് അച്ഛാ? സൂപ്പർ. അമ്മ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടോ അൻവി?
Super. Anvi?
So we are staying here for a day. They are all enjoying there. See, this is the view of beautiful lake. This is Karapura Reservoir Lake View. See, this is my brother-in-law. Here we are going to the terrace. You can see the top view of the lake from this terrace. Wow. See the name? Casa Lakeview Vacation Redefined. You see? Beautiful. Wow. How is the property, Shami?
Beautiful.
So this is the parking area. We have enough parking place here. See, wow, fantastic property. You can really enjoy the beautiful climate of Wayanad from this resort.
See that side one color, middle another color, dark color. See?
Yeah, sky is looking beautiful. So see, Nanda, Ambi, they're all playing there. We'll go and see, right?
Yeah.
Now we are going down. Once we come down, here we have a party hall. So this is the place for music, Shami. See this? Here we have badminton court and children's play area. Wow, very nice. And from here also we have a wonderful view surrounded by mountains, and this is a nice lake. From Kalpata town it is just 16 kilometers. The exact name of this place is Eranchira, seventh lake. That is the exact meaning in Malayalam. Nanda, what are you eating? This is the restaurant here. So you're serving dinner here. You want breakfast? Just opposite to our room. So it's very convenient, right? That's right. Super? Ah.
Are you serious?
It started raining. Wow, very nice weather.
Then we started 2 years, sir.
2 years
2
back?
years back. Maximum 18 kilometers from Kalpata. Actually, nearby town is Mepadi. When guests are coming from Kozhikode, Malappuram, that side, it will be better than going to like Mepadi.
Okay.
Mepadi side.
So how many rooms are available here?
Here, total 12 rooms. All 12 rooms are AC only.
Okay.
We are giving.
According to the requirement, you will give AC or non-AC.
AC or non-AC.
I don't think we required AC
Yes,
here,
that's
right?
right.
The climate is very good in Wayanad.
All rooms are same, premium category with balcony, lake facing only. All 12 rooms we are getting that lake view.
And I have seen pantry facilities also available for some
yes,
rooms, right?
yes.
That is
Downwards
another good
for
option
all
for
rooms.
family.
Yes.
Those are coming by a group
Yes,
or
that's-
team, it will be very, very good option.
Yes.
Main attraction is the
Yes.
lake view.
That's
right?
our main attraction. Very close lake view.
Yeah. Your good name?
Ashwin.
Ashwin. Yeah, thanks. This is the restaurant. Still raining. Wow, see?
Yeah.
It's raining but looking very good. See, mist is going up.
Yeah, it's going to cover.
It's covering the mountains. See, there are 12 rooms are there. All are similar type of rooms.
Yeah, same ditto, right?
All the rooms facing to lake and balcony, very spacious balcony.
Yeah.
Night they used to put the campfire, but that is also not there.
Weather,
Because it's
right?
drizzling, right? It's raining today. Fantastic view, Shami. Yeah. Serious. That is what you said, right? Mountain.
Yeah.
Ultimate view, Shami. Wow. Oh, lovely view. Wow. See the mountains? Time is 6:30. See the lights. Still it is drizzling. Casa Lake View. Nanda,
Yeah.
we'll go for indoor game.
Yes, please.
Come.
It's too wet here. Tomatoes. Ambi, ready?
So this is indoor game
Yes.
in this property. Here also very nice ambience.
Anvidartu.
Here table tennis.
Ambi.
നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ്
chess.
അല്ല ഇതിന്റെ കൂടെ വലുതിന്റെ കൂടെ അടിക്കുക പിന്നെ ഗെറ്റ് സം നോളജ് ഒന്നില്ല Where's the ball? Boopsies, boopsies.
See, everyone enjoying. They are playing caroms.
Hey. Yeah.
Indoor games, really, all the age groups are enjoying.
Where's the ball? Let's clean.
Nanda,
Yes.
wait. Ready for dance?
Yes. Ma full lasers.
Attraction here. Music system is available. We can connect through Bluetooth and we can play music, enjoy with dancing. This is what Nanda, Abhi and all done now. Nanda,
Yeah.
how's the dance?
Awesome.
Enjoyed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoyed?
Yes. Enjoy? Yes.
Time is 7:30. We done with the dance.
Yeah.
So dinner time.
Yep.
So this is a party hall. We came for dinner. We have already placed our order. Dinner is ready. Let's see what are the items. See here we have the tourist map of Wayanad.
Yeah.
The main attractions, Banasur Sagar Dam, 34 kilometers, till Tolpatti Wildlife Sanctuary, that is 56 kilometers. And they have provided the entry time for all the places. This is a good information here. Tourist places in Wayanad, and there is a detail about the tourist places in Wayanad here. We are waiting for our order. After dinner, back to room.
Yes.
When we reached here, me and Anvi were like playing in this bridge.
See the view from here?
Whoa, it's too high. I'm not gonna go
Too
near.
dark there. You can't see the lake, right?
Yep. I think I felt
Long
like.
we can see one mountain and some light.
Yeah, it feels like Hampi.
Yeah. So done with dinner. Time is 9 o'clock.
We had early dinner, right?
We had early dinner. With this, we are ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a
Good night.